Hey, what's up? This is Jeff from looppacks.com. It's tutorial time. Let's go. Alright, today we're working with a hip-hop loop from our loop pack. This is number 27. I have this opened up in Propeller Heads Recycle. Alright, so once you've got it in there, you need to adjust the bars. I'm going to set this at 4. I know that's my number. So that gives me 97 BPM. If you put this at a higher number, you'll notice the BPMs are completely off the chain, so you'll know you're wrong. So set that where you need it, make sure your BPM is right, and start splicing. I set mine at like 8 to 10. Sensitivity, that gives me about 16 slices, and then that's good to go. If you put too many slices and you try to pull that into reason, it's going to be ridiculous, so don't bother. Set it to like 8 on the sensitivity, 16 slices. Save that as a REX file, and you should be good to go. Good to go. Pull it into Reason, and drag in a REX player, Dr. Octo. Browse to the file. Obviously, mine's going to be in a different spot than yours is. Load it up. Make sure you set the BPM at the right BPM. This happens to be 97. Loop. Let it go. There you have it. If you want to actually pop it down into your track, you find this button right here, copy loop to track, hit it, boom. You come down here and you find the actual REX loop in a kind of sequencer MIDI format that you could play with. We'll get into that in another video. Go ahead and play that and you'll notice it's completely synced to your BPM. Oh shit, turn this off. Boom. And there it is. That's how you turn a wave into a REX file. You pull it into Reason, and now you can play with it. There it is.
Looppacks.com